Grey zone. This is an area for the wearer to scrub up and put on the main cleanroom attire. White zone. This is a clean area where the wearer changes into their cleanroom footwear. The wearer is required to remove facial cosmetics and jewellery. Bouffant cap and overshoes are to be worn prior to entering the grey zone, if needed. Retrieve the contents from the packaging. Each S-BAKCT kit contains a hood, coverall with collar and overboots. All essential components for head-to-toe protection in a single package. Avoid touching the external surface of the hood. Adjust the yoke to fully cover the shoulder. Only touch the inner surface of the coverall. Grab the coverall at the waist area. Roll the waist to raise the legs and sleeves. Insert one leg into the coverall and repeat with the other leg. Bring the coverall up towards the shoulder, then insert the arms into the sleeves. Tuck the yoke of the hood inside the coverall. Cross your legs and zip up the coverall fully. Remove the backing liner and stick the flap over the zipper. Insert thumbs into thumb loops. Position the face mask with nose piece across the nose bridge. Adjust for a good seal. Pull the goggles headband over the hood. Adjust the goggles to ensure no exposed skin. Tighten the headband for a secure fit. Pull the overboot over the foot. Fasten the tie strap for secure fit to the leg. If crossover bench is used, transfer each leg to the white zone as the overboot is donned. Repeat for other foot to don the other overboot. Retrieve the outer glove. Grip firmly at the folded cuff and slide the other gloved hand into the outer glove. Pull the folded cuff towards the wrist. Slip the fingers of the sterile hand into the pocket formed by the folded cuff. Slide the other gloved hand into the sterile gloves and unfold the cuff over the sleeve. Use the sterile hand to unfold the cuff of the first sterile glove until it overlaps the sleeve. Ensure all the coverall and accessories are correctly fastened and secured prior to entering the clean room. There should be no skin, hair or inner coverall exposed.